Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circle compass. First, familiarize yourself with its components, like the pivot point and the pencil holder. Next, adjust the compass to achieve your desired circle radius by moving the pencil arm. Remember to hold the compass firmly at the top, ensuring your fingers don't obstruct the rotation. This initial setup is crucial for drawing accurate circles. To draw a perfect circle, begin by placing the compass's pivot point firmly on your paper where the center of your circle will be. Gently apply pressure to the pivot, then rotate the compass from the top, allowing the pencil to glide smoothly. Aim for one continuous motion to avoid breaks in your line. Consistent, light pressure on the pencil arm will ensure an even, clear circle every time. Beyond basic circles, you can create concentric designs by drawing multiple circles from the same center point, simply by adjusting the radius. A compass is also excellent for measuring distances. Just set the points to the desired length. Furthermore, you can use it to divide a circle into equal segments, which is incredibly useful for geometry or design projects. Experiment with these techniques to expand your drawing capabilities. For the best results, always ensure your pencil lead is sharp. A dull point can lead to thick, imprecise lines. If your compass slips, try using a piece of cardboard underneath your paper for better grip and stability. Uneven circles often result from inconsistent pressure or an unstable pivot point, so focus on a steady hand. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying. Also, remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.